I had my dad's car. Okay, that is a Hyundai Santro bought in the year 2002. So recently, my sister wanted to learn driving, and I wanted to take the car out of the garage, but I found it was not in working condition. It was not getting started. So then, of course, the next move would be to find out the nearest mechanic local nearby. It was early morning, 8 o'clock. So I thought I'll use some app because my friend had suggested he can go for this app, Automovill. So I booked my appointment. I got, and I think under 30 minutes, these technicians from Automovill came to my doorstep. So it was not actually that way it started. The journey.